Did you realize that over 80% of baking soda users don't know its best uses? This pennies per dose culinary staple is hiding its true potential in millions of households. Many scientists consider baking soda the most overlooked medicine worldwide. Think about it. How often have you used baking soda to prepare a cake or clean your fridge without realizing its other uses? What if I told you that this simple white powder has a long history of unusual uses, some of which could change your health outlook? Why are so few people discussing baking soda's genuine benefits, and what are we missing? Few people know about baking soda's health benefits, which we'll discuss in this video. I'll also cover baking soda safety and who should be careful. This is not to be missed if you care about your health and want to make informed decisions. Welcome to our channel. Before we discuss baking soda's health benefits, please grow together. Please like and subscribe to avoid missing future content. We're glad to help you start your health journey. Add your country to the comments to let us know where you're watching. We want to hear from you. Let's begin. Amazing baking soda health benefits. It cleanses first. Beyond cleaning and baking, baking soda has other uses. It is often praised for aiding the body's cleansing. Baking soda becomes alkaline in water, neutralizing body and external acids. To calm sensitive skin, minimize itching, and cure mild rashes, baking soda baths are popular. The goal is to soak in baking soda to remove impurities and renew your skin and body. This is a popular home remedy, although scientific evidence for skin detoxification is inadequate. Many users describe feeling relaxed and comfortable. Story grows more intriguing inside. Health-conscious people believe that a small bit of a baking soda mixed with water can alkalize the blood and urine, making it easier to expel contaminants. This is supported by some research, especially for certain health conditions. A Journal of the American Society of Nephrology study found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation reduces blood acid accumulation, slowing chronic kidney disease. This suggests that baking soda can aid the body's detoxification process, especially for acid-sensitive people when administered under medical supervision. Your body is already capable of maintaining pH homeostasis, thus diet alone is difficult to change. Use baking soda moderately to avoid side effects. Baking soda can gently, cost-effectively increase your body's natural detox and revitalize you. Teeth whitening and oral health are next. Baking soda is in many toothpastes and home remedies for a reason. Oral health and tooth whitening are its strengths. You may have noticed how smooth and clean your teeth feel after cleaning them with baking soda. Baking soda's moderate abrasiveness effectively removes coffee, tea, and other tooth-dulling surface stains. Baking soda's soft texture cleans teeth without damaging them when used properly. However, the benefits go beyond a brighter smile. Baking soda neutralizes tongue acids because it's alkaline. This matters because acidic environments promote harmful germs that cause cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Baking soda regulates pH, making gums and breath healthier and less conducive to certain germs. Research supports these claims. A Journal of Clinical Dentistry study found that toothpaste with baking soda removed plaque and whitened teeth better than those without. Another study indicated that baking soda reduces harmful oral germs, improving dental health. However, moderation matters. Since baking soda is abrasive, overusing it or brushing too hard may damage tooth enamel. It should be used a few times a week with a gentle brush, according to dentists. Baking soda can clean, brighten, and healthify your smile at home with the right procedure. Heartburn is relieved next. Heartburn is common and unpleasant, especially after a rich or spicy meal. When stomach acid refluxes into the esophagus, it causes a burning feeling in the upper stomach and can progress to the throat. Weight gain, pregnancy, and medical problems like achalasia or eosinophilic esophagitis can also cause heartburn. There are several commercial antacids, but a simple and effective one is in your kitchen. A teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and properly drunk relieves heartburn quickly. Simple science underpins this. Alkaline baking soda neutralizes gastric acid that burns. This reaction provides instant relief and has been a home remedy for millennia. Medical professionals consider sodium bicarbonate a fast-acting antacid. It relieves occasional heartburn immediately, according to a gastroenterology and hepatology review. The process is straightforward. No pharmacy visits or costly treatments are needed. A teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and a few minutes will alleviate your symptoms. Many households use baking soda because of this straightforward response. This common home chemical can provide fast, reliable heartburn treatment, letting you get back to your day. Next, consider antifungal properties. Itchy, red, or flaky skin from fungal diseases is typical. Moisture-loving fungi cause athlete's foot, ringworm, and other foot ailments. Baking soda is a natural alternative to over-the-counter lotions and sprays. This household staple kills fungus by disrupting their surroundings. Baking soda on the skin provides an alkaline environment that weakens fungal cell walls, making them harder to develop. Scientific evidence supports this family tradition. A mycopathologia study found that 10 grams of baking soda per liter can inhibit 80% of fungal strains. This remarkable discovery shows baking soda's natural antifungal properties. Make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to trouble areas, or add it into a foot bath to treat athlete's foot. Many people find irritation and pain relief after a few treatments. Its softness and non-toxicity make it ideal for those who dislike harsh chemicals. This inexpensive, accessible drug may help obstinate fungal infections and restore daily comfort and confidence. Next, it may reduce UTIs. UTIs are common and uncomfortable, especially in women. Urinating burns, frequent urination, and discomfort can make daily life challenging. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, some people use natural treatments to relieve symptoms and improve healing. Baking soda is a popular therapy. The idea behind taking baking soda for UTIs is that it neutralizes acids. Baking soda combined with water and consumed in small amounts can lower urine acidity. This pH adjustment may make UTI germs less likely to develop, making it easier for the body to fight the condition. Less acidic urine reduces UTI burning. Scientific research supports this strategy. According to the Japanese Journal of Urology, in 33 women with persistent UTIs were treated with sodium bicarbonate. Many individuals reported reduced urination pain after 4 weeks. These findings are promising, but baking soda should not substitute medical treatment for UTIs, especially in severe cases. In addition to treatment, baking soda may reduce pain mildly and cheaply. Remember that severe UTI symptoms require rapid medical intervention. Baking soda can improve urinary health and comfort when used properly. Treat canker sores next. You know how painful canker sores are if you felt their sting. The good news? Baking soda may be the cheap, easy remedy you need. Aft-home ulcers or canker sores are prevalent and induced by tension, small mouth traumas, or certain meals. They can make eating, drinking, and talking unpleasant. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate neutralizes oral acids and balances pH, making it ideal for this circumstance. Acidic environments slow healing and cause pain. Therefore, this is crucial. Sup. Mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of warm water and rinsing your mouth reduces inflammation, pain, and healing time. Not my word. Science backs it. The Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouth rinses greatly reduced pain and expedited recovery in recurring at-home stomatitis patients. Baking soda's moderate antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help cure sores by keeping them clean and reducing bacterial growth. Baking soda is modest and unlikely to irritate, unlike some OTC medicines. If you sense a canker sore coming on, rinse with baking soda. It's a natural, clinically proven culinary remedy for dental health and pain relief. Next boosts exercise performance. Did you know that a simple kitchen staple can boost your workout? Baking soda does more than bake cakes and clean sinks. It is a secret weapon used by athletes to boost performance and reduce muscular fatigue. It works like this. Your muscles produce lactic acid during high-intensity exercise, lowering pH and causing burning. This acidity causes muscle fatigue, making you stop before you're ready. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, buffers naturally. This helps you push harder and last longer throughout intense exercises by neutralizing muscular acid before activity. Not just fitness folklore, scientific evidence supports it. The Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research published a meta-analysis of numerous studies that found sodium bicarbonate supplementation improved sprinting, swimming, and cycling performance. The researchers found that baking soda prevented fatigue and prolonged peak performance in athletes. Athletes drink a teaspoon of baking soda with water 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. Too much can induce gastrointestinal upset like bloating or nausea, so start with small doses. Baking soda may be a natural, science-backed way to increase endurance and workout performance. Before adding it to your routine, consult a doctor, especially if you have health difficulties. Try it and see if your next workout changes. The following may improve kidney function. Imagine if baking soda could strengthen and protect your kidneys, especially if you had CKD. Many people with CKD develop metabolic acidosis because their kidneys cannot remove enough blood acid. Extra acid can worsen renal illness and impair health. Here comes baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Your blood acid is neutralized by this natural antacid. Baking soda lowers blood acidity, relieving kidney strain and decreasing renal disease progression. Unlike other home remedies, this one is scientific. A landmark journal of the American Society of Nephrology studied severe CKD with metabolic acidosis. The researchers found that daily sodium bicarbonate tablet use slowed renal function decline. Baking soda reduced the risk of end-stage renal disease and dialysis. Blood bicarbonate levels, which indicate acid-base balance, also improved in the research. Remember that baking soda isn't a cure-all and should only be used under medical supervision. Too much might induce high blood pressure or fluid retention, especially in heart or kidney patients. Before supplementing with baking soda, CKD patients should consult a doctor. This popular cooking commodity can improve kidney health and quality of life when used properly and under supervision. Additionally, it reduces arthritic pain. Baking soda, a common kitchen ingredient, may relieve arthritis pain. Chronic inflammation produces joint pain, edema, and stiffness in arthritis. Especially rheumatoid arthritis, making daily life difficult. Baking soda may be a natural and accessible alternative to medicines and physical therapy for these symptoms, according to recent research. This science is fascinating and encouraging. A 2018 Journal of Immunology study found that ingesting baking soda in water every day may boost the immune system. The study found that sodium bicarbonate boosts the body's anti-inflammatory response and suppresses autoimmune activity that causes rheumatoid arthritis. Decreased inflammatory indicators and immune cell balance were seen in both animal and human study participants. Baking soda may quiet the immune system, reducing arthritis's painful joint pain and swelling. This study expands arthritis treatment options. A daily baking soda rinse or drink may reduce inflammation and improve joint comfort. While more research is needed to determine the long-term benefits, the fact that a common home object can ease arthritis pain is encouraging. It reminds us that the best solutions are frequently concealed. Gout is a painful kind of arthritis that often causes sudden pain, redness, and swelling in the big toe or other joints. Root cause? Uric acid in the circulation forms sharp joint crystals and causes pain. Gout treatment often involves lowering uric acid and decreasing pain. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, can be an unexpected home remedy in this case. Baking soda's alkalinity neutralizes blood uric acid, minimizing painful crystal formation. Baking soda can adjust pH and reduce gout attacks. A research in arthritis and rheumatism found that alkalinizing medications such as sodium bicarbonate can dissolve uric acid crystals and increase urine evacuation, relieving acute gout symptoms. Many patients find that drinking a glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda helps during flare-ups. Baking soda may reduce joint inflammation and discomfort, making movement easier and less painful. Baking soda can help control gout, but it should always be administered under medical supervision. That ensures you get the benefits easily. Baking soda may be the simple science-backed solution you need in your kitchen cupboard to treat gout symptoms. Next, it soothes colds and flu. A cold and flu season can be overwhelming with symptoms like a scratchy throat, stuffy nose, and congestion. Did you know that baking soda, a cheap item, may treat many common ailments? Baking soda's alkalinity breaks, dissolve stubborn mucus, clearing nasal passages and improving breathing. This is especially good for runny or blocked noses. Baking soda gargles are one of the best cold and flu remedies. A glass of warm water with half a teaspoon of baking soda will soothe a sore throat. Gargling with this mixture soothes pain and decreases germs and bacteria in your mouth and throat, making viruses less likely. A research in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that daily gargling with baking soda reduces throat irritation and microbial load, speeding upper respiratory infection recovery. To reduce congestion, saline nasal rinses might contain baking soda. Breaking down mucus and neutralizing acids boosts your body's natural defenses, helping you feel better faster. Next time you're sick, try baking soda. It's a gentle science-backed remedy that speeds up cold and flu recovery, proving that sometimes the best remedies are in your kitchen. It may improve cancer treatments next. Baking soda may treat cancer, but scientists are exploring the possibility. Acidic environments encourage cancer cell proliferation and treatment resistance. The natural alkalinity of baking soda has been studied for its capacity to modify the pH around tumor cells, making cancer growth less likely. One of the more intriguing research was published in Cancer Research in 2009. Researchers found that sodium bicarbonate dramatically lowered tumor acidity in mice with metastatic breast cancer. This pH adjustment slowed disease progression and made tumor cells more chemotherapy sensitive. The findings suggest that baking soda may benefit cancer treatments by neutralizing the acidic environment. Antacids like baking soda may enhance patient outcomes when taken safely with chemotherapy or other treatments, according to researchers. It's important to remember that this research is still young. Baking soda may be used in conventional cancer treatment after more clinical studies in humans. Animal models show promising results. Baking soda is not a cure-all, but a tool that may augment existing medications. If you or a loved one is getting cancer treatment, consult your doctor before attempting new supplements or therapies. Lastly, use natural deodorant. For a natural way to stay fresh all day, try baking soda. Baking soda is an effective natural deodorant that comes from your kitchen, unlike many commercial ones. Its key is neutralizing sweat's acidic compounds that cause body odor while absorbing moisture. This prevents odor-causing germs from growing, keeping you odor-free even on busy days. Baking soda's natural deodorant benefits are proven. Science backs it. In the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor when administered topically. The researchers found that baking soda's alkaline makeup balances sweat and bacteria acids, lowering smells. Baking soda is also paraben, aluminum, and synthetic fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin and chemical avoiders. Deodorizing with baking soda is easy. To moisturize, dust a bit under your arms with coconut oil or alone. Even during workout or in hot weather, it keeps you dry and cool. Baking soda is a popular, natural, eco-friendly personal care option. However, everyone's skin is different and may require sensitivity testing. If you're ready to ditch chemicals, try baking soda. It's easy, scientifically proven, to stay boldly fresh all day. Who should be cautious? Baking soda has several health benefits, but not everyone can benefit. Certain populations should take caution when considering frequent use or increasing doses for internal or external purposes. Patients with kidney issues must be extra cautious. Baking soda contains salt, which renal failure patients may have trouble excrete, causing fluid retention and other difficulties. High blood pressure patients should be careful. Salt in baking soda can raise blood pressure, making it dangerous for hypertensives. Baking soda may affect stomach acid and aggravate gastritis, ulcers, and acid reflux, so persons with these disorders should visit a doctor before using it. Use baking soda cautiously if pregnant or nursing. Excessive consumption may disturb the body's electrolyte balance, harming mother and infant. Tradition and studies support its sore throat, gout, and athletic performance benefits. Use baking soda cautiously and consult a doctor if you have any concerns. Do you use baking soda for any of these remedies or have other ideas? Comment your thoughts and questions below. We appreciate your message. If you liked this video, please subscribe and share it with friends who may too. Your support of our channel is appreciated.